Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hi, my name is Ahana and I make YouTube videos. I post shorts every day and a full form video. Nahi bolu to better hai. But I am posting one after really long. I'm not doing well, so please ignore my voice throughout the video. It's much better, but I was really under the weather with fever and cough and cold. That is also one of the reasons the video got pushed away a bit. I don't know, something has been up with me and my long form consistency. I often plan. There have been times, abhi recently, I have filmed a few videos halfway through, but somehow I couldn't finish it, somehow we couldn't get it edited on time, and it just kept getting delayed. No excuses. My really sincere apologies to everybody who keeps messaging me that please post a full form videos, do vlog content and all of that. Thank you so much. And I'm absolutely fine, nothing's on that part. जब मैं shorts डाल पा रही हूँ तो ये क्यों नहीं? But I'm here with a huge life update which you guys wanted to see first and foremost. So I did a poll on my Instagram. You all wanted to know the new life update and even I want to give you all. ये भी मैंने बहुत बिट्स एंड पीसेस में व्लॉग किया है. सो जितना भी व्लॉग किया है, आई एम रियली एक्साइटेड टू शो यू गाइज, विच यू विल see further in this vlog. So सबसे पहले I want to talk about the fact that yes, so we've moved to a new place. It's still a rented place, but I have accepted the fact as long as I'm living in these houses, this is my home. My home is where my parents are. My home is where we get to live comfortably without being answerable to anybody, where we get to live how we want and we are happy. By we, I mean that me and my parents, I think these are the only people who matter to me, and we're a very small family of 3. Moving did come out as a surprise. We weren't expecting it to come this way, but because it has, I don't think I have a lot to complain on my plate. I have lived almost 8.5 years of my life in that house and it was amazing. When we moved to that place, we had started our life from scratch, from zero, and at that point, that house was everything for us. We have some amazing memories there. I started this channel over there. Lots of new things happened in our lives. And for everything that we had in that house, we are grateful for. And looking forward to even better things in this house. So now I obviously won't be giving you the details. But this time, I'm definitely going to be doing a room tour. मैं उस घर में तुम्हें नहीं दे पाई for obvious reasons, जिसके बारे में भी मैं अभी बात करूंगी. But इस वाले घर में मैं definitely तुम्हें room tour, setup tour दूंगी. A detailed video. मुझे थोड़ा सेट कर लेने दो. Today is technically the 3rd day when I'm sitting down and filming this video, feeling a little better because I was not well. And during I was not well, we've done the shifting and everything. So let me get done with everything. Let me set the room and then I will give you a tour. I'm really enjoying this feeling. It was a bittersweet feeling when we were moving out because it was really quick. But then once I got here, within a day and so, I got very comfortable. I've gotten a chance to live in a bigger, emptier room after long. You'll get the point what I'm saying eventually. So before we move on to the clips of shifting and packing and me settling a few things here and there, let me quickly show you a few pictures of the place where I was living. I would also like to add up, like, this social media life looks very pretty and I have not been someone who has come forward to talk about my problems on the channel as much as मैं कोशिश करती हूँ कि मैं ना दिखाऊँ उतना that part of my life. And this is what my room's wall looked like. I am still not going to complain. I was grateful for the fact that I had a roof above my head and I will always be grateful for it. Quite a few years back when we first moved into this house, मेरे पास कुछ भी नहीं हुआ करता था. I had 0 bags, 0 equipment, 0 knowledge, 0 self-love actually. And इस घर में रह के मैंने स्क्रैच से एक चीज चालू करी. एंड टुडे आई हैव सो मच, लाइक आई नो देयर इज अ लॉन्ग वे टू गो, बट आज भी एवरीथिंग जो मेरे पास है, आई एम नथिंग बट जस्ट ग्रेटफुल. एंड वी आर लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड टू दिस हाउस, वेरी मच लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड टू इट इन फैक्ट. या सो नाउ दिस इज गोइंग टू बी माय न्यू सेटअप. दिस इज जस्ट अ कॉर्नर. आई हैव few more corners planned in this house to rooms to shoot so that you guys have a new background every time you watch my videos, which I'm so excited for. Like, I'm just happy about it. Also, we're so close to 2000 subscribers. Oh my god. Let me start rolling the clips and pictures of the shifting. And let's finally get to work. We already know things we have to ignore are my t-shirt, my voice, this face, these backgrounds. So we're finally starting to sort the room out. अभी तक lights and fans भी नहीं लगे हैं, so this is the natural lighting. धूप भी इस साइड से आ रही है, but I only have this space to myself, तो मैंने ये यहाँ रखा है. Please ignore the way I'm looking. We're living on face mist and 2 products. जो सबसे ऊपर था मैंने वही लगा लिया. अभी तक everything is in boxes. I have somehow unboxed a few boxes to know कि कहाँ क्या है. And now we're just gonna start stacking up. पहले we had 1 अलमारी to ourselves. अब हमारे पास 2 हो गई है. Progress ही progress है in a way. And obviously as I have said before कि मैं अलग से room tour तो at least करूँगी. House tour I don't think necessary है. We'll be talking more towards the end of the video, but let's finally get to business. This is the only way I can keep you guys through and through with this process. पहले एक बार के लिए मेरे दिमाग में आ ही गया था कि I can't do this and we won't be filming it yet again, but I was like no, मैं एक और vlog midway नहीं छोड़ सकती. So we are filming it and let's get started. So basically पहले मेरे पास सिर्फ ये था and अब मैंने ये भी रख लिया है. मुझे लग रहा है तो भी हमारा सामान somehow fit नहीं आएगा. मैंने बैग्स लगाने चालू कर दिए हैं. मैं बाद में अच्छे से शॉर्ट्स भी रोल कर दूंगी, but for now we are settling them color wise this time. Guys, so far we have sorted the bags out. This is some of the new makeup that I've ordered and this is my jewelry box. Since I have new storage तो मैंने कुछ भी clutter करके नहीं रखा है. Bags भी सिर्फ वही लगा है जो मैं use करती हूँ. I have a bunch of bags that I don't need on a daily basis. Even these I won't since it's too new and it looks very pretty in there. So I'd rather just keep it there for a while. Now I've also sorted my daily creams and perfumes and body mists right here in this storage जो मैं Mr. DIY से लाई थी. And इसे हम एकदम center में रख देंगे, like right here. Though I'm running a bit short on everything, but अभी भी I haven't opened. So it's technically my first day in here and it's pretty quiet so far, but the day I've decided to shoot उस दिन तो sure होना ही है. So मैंने अभी कुछ open नहीं किया है, but I think with the ending of this video I'll have to open because like I feel very dirty. मैंने अच्छे से haven't had shower. मैंने एक हफ्ते से hair wash नहीं किया है and the dandruff has just piled up on my head. This is the most realistic vlog that I've ever shot. I haven't met those people जो aesthetically सब कुछ डब्बों में पैक करते हैं. हमने भी किया as much as I could, but honestly हमें जहाँ जगह मिली हमने सामान डाल दिया यार. And honestly everything at least that I own is pretty, like I wouldn't say cheap, but in those boxes it was looking like मैंने रद्दी की दुकान से उठा के चीजें लाई है because ऐसे आया है ये. And the frame and all I've made sure it looks okay. Even I look like that. I look homeless. It's a mess, yeah. घर बदलना is so difficult. So difficult. Let's get back to work. बहुत rant हो रहा है guys. Hi. Ignore the पंखे की आवाज. कल मैं बहुत थोड़ा सा कर पाई थी. So now a very big difference in that house and this house is कि वहाँ मेरे पास open storage था और यहाँ कोई भी type का storage as if now नहीं है. So I own so many baskets, like I had an entire bag full of my empty baskets जो मैंने सोचा था मैं यहाँ लाके सेट करूँगी, but बिकॉज मुझे सब कुछ 2 अलमारियों में सेट करना है इन 2 cupboards, so that is something very difficult. I have some of my new makeup right here. I just got done filming a video for the coming Sunday. I thought let's just sort this out into boxes and then we can move forward. ये जो दिख रहा है ना तुम्हें, these are nothing but just my empty boxes. हर थोड़ी देर में आके मेरी वीडियो सैबोटेज करती है. मैंने ना seeing off the video and I'm gonna see you guys next time. Do let me know down in the comments if you have any DIY room decor ideas. I would love to check them out and we can also do them together on my shorts. Okay, so those were all the clips. I hope you liked. I hope you enjoyed. I didn't want to cover up anything, na is ghar ka na us ghar ka. I wanted to keep it as honest as I can, as real as possible, and you all know the drill. Don't forget to like this video, comment down, subscribe for more. Bye.